Up, you guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I would love for you to be part of the family. So you guys, I miss you so much. You know I can't wait too long without seeing you guys. And today I have some Chipotle. I haven't ate them in a while, so I was like, why not eat them tonight? And I also have some cherry Coca-Cola. That's also one of my favorites as well. And I got a burrito. I got some chips. I got my favorite vinaigrette. And I have 3 tacos all the way. All the way, baby. Ready to dig in, but you know I can't dig in before I say my grace. So let me get to it. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Lord, thank you for providing this food for me and the nourishment of my body's sake. Amen, amen. Let's get it. Yes. Haven't ate all day, and I'm ready to dig in. Ready. Ready. And you know I got my sour cream on here. I should have got me a fork. No, I think I got it. They tacos. This is my first time trying their tacos. That's good too. Also, I didn't get chicken on my burrito this time. I got tofu. I wanted to see how that tastes. I had tofu before, but not with Chipotle. This will be the first time. They vinaigrette is bomb. It's like their vinaigrette is everything. So good. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I hope it was amazing. We're getting closer to the weekend. This is so good. I got black beans, chicken on here, sour cream, shredded cheese, cilantro rice. I also put my burrito back in the oven just to let it get a little crunchy, because sometimes they don't have time to grill it, especially, you know, if they're rushing. I just come back home and stick it in the oven for like at least a good 10 minutes. Here, take a bite. You know I like to share. Okay, so I think I got to the tofu. I'm trying to see if I can get to it so I can really taste it and see if I like it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is good. It's not bad at all. It's so delicious. I thought it was gonna be nasty. That's so good. That is delicious. Guys, thank you for all the support and the love y'all been showing me. I love you guys so much. I am at 530 subs right now. Thanks for my new subbies and my old subbies. And I am pushing to get to 1K. And I did it all by myself. No help. Yep. Oh, so good. This burrito is so big. Look at that. It's so huge. This is so good. They did their thing tonight. I mean, this is the best I ever tasted. Yes, cherry Coca-Cola. Oh, I'm singing a song. Yay, 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 yay. It's just well put together, you guys. It's seasoned to perfection. Everything is on there perfect, like I asked for it. I'm gonna get that corner right there. This is so amazing. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so good. Yeah, take a bite of my taco. This is so good. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or any challenges or anything that you would like for me to review. I would love to do them. I will reply, and I would love for you to be part of the family. Yes. Damn. Bust down Tatiana. How that song go, y'all? Bust down Tatiana. Bust down. Bust down. They be getting it in that video. They be getting it in that video. I be in the car like, I be jamming, y'all. This is so bang. This is so freaking good. If you ain't tried Chipotle tacos, you missing out. You was missing out. You missing out. Tell them right now. If you ain't had Chipotle ever, you missing out. If you had like some other stuff, you ain't taste nothing. Bella thinks she gonna eat some tonight. She better go eat her dog food, y'all. None of this. It's so good. Oh yeah, and I love guacamole. I love guacamole. Oh, I can't eat Mexican without it. Or sour cream. And do it. Y'all just don't understand what I'm going through. Oh. No burping. I told y'all I had to burp. Woo. Oh goodness, you guys. I am super full. This was so amazing. This was so good. Comment below. Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I do come on. I would love for you to be part of the family and be a beautiful flower. I love you guys so, 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 so much. I'm super full and I will be back with another one. I love you guys. Bye.